Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share, and let me show you what spooky items I picked up. Let's start with these wall signs. I found the third sign in this set. This is the one with the ghost charm, and it says Happy Halloween, Home Sweet Haunted Home. I'm happy I found the third one. So I now own the entire collection. I only picked up the one. And then I found this one. How cute is this one? The candy corn sign. How adorable is this? Look at that. The trick or treat is glittered and it has glitter bats, and it does have some edging done in its glitter, and they have a bow on here. At least it matches it, right? I picked up 3 of them. I needed 3 in my life, so I picked up 3. And then I am still on the watch out for the moon and for the cauldron. But I also picked up this one. Look at this. It says haunted. This is the long wall sign. Look at that. It has like little bats and the spooky trees in the background. And it's the same way on the bottom. And you got the haunted house and the little graveyard scene. Very cute. And I love the background. I also picked up some decorative mesh, and I picked up the plain black ones. Now I should have paid better attention. This one has blue string going through. Well, I bought 8 of these. I'm hoping that will be plenty for what I have in mind. So this one has the blue string also. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm hoping that I will be able to remove that. Let me try. So look at this. It's black, and then it has the metallic threading going through. So let me see. Yeah, I can remove it. Look at this. It's coming off. But to begin with, I want to avoid doing this, but so I have 2 of them that have this blue threading, so I will need that to take that off before I do my project. And then I also picked up another set of these lanterns. I was gonna do my project and I realized, well, you know what, I need another set. For what I have in mind, I need another set. So I picked up one more with the witch, one with the cat, and the jack-o'-lanterns. I like this. I really like the die cut scene on there. So 1 each for me again. And then I also picked these tabletop signs. These are the mason jar Halloween signs. Look at that. How cute. Now they have other images available in case you want them, but this is what I really liked. This one says stop by for a spell. It has the skull and some potion jars. And then this one says home is where the haunt is. I love that saying. Cute. I will most likely switch out the string. I also picked up some of this velvet ribbon. I've seen everyone hauling these, so I decided to give it a try. I picked it up in the purple, the black, and the orange, and I only found 1 spool each at one of my stores, so I may have to go check another store, see if I can find a couple more. And I do have a project in mind. I'm hoping it'll work out. You know how projects go. Let's see, I also picked up some spiders. These are ring spiders, and you get 10 spiders per bag. Oh goodness, let's see. So you get the body on the spider are jewels. Look at this, cute, right? So I plan to not use this as a ring, but if you want a ring, look at that, cute. I have 20 spiders to figure out what I'm going to do with it. And let's see. Oh, I found hot pads in this pattern. I think this might be from last year, but I was able to find this in another store. So this kind of looks like last year's label, or the year before, because this is the new labels, right? See the difference? So I don't know, but I was able to pick up 2 of the oven mitts and then 1 set of the pot holders. I love using these during the, for each season. I need some more of the pot holders. I also picked up some table runner. This is a lace table runner. Let me see if I can open one section up. Look at this. It's got spider webs with spiders. Look at that, how cute. Let me see if there's a size on here. No. I don't see a size on here, so let me do a rough measurement for you right quick. So it is about 72 inches long and it's about 13 inches wide. Yeah, I like these. I bought 3 and I want to put it on my living room table, and I want to put like a solid color underneath and then put the webbing on top. I think that'll look really cute, right? Adorable. And yeah, I have 3. I think I'll put 1 on the living room table and 1 on the side tables and just work from there. So I now have 3 table runners, and I only paid $1.25 each. I picked up 2 packages of these small pumpkins, and you get 3 on the clip itself. And these are gray velvet pumpkins. And I also picked up the larger ones. I picked up 5 of the big ones, and I like it that they use the same fabric, and I'm quite happy about that. So I picked up 5 of the large ones. And then I also picked up some cable ties. I picked up the white one and the black one, and you get 60 pieces in each bag. And these cable ties are 8 inches long. So I need this in my supply box, or my little toolbox. And I picked up a white ribbon. This is 7/8 inch by 9 feet, and it's the satin white. And I picked up a sheer black ribbon, and this is 5/8 by 18 feet. That's a lot of ribbon on there. And then I am quite happy about this find here. I picked up the pom-pom maker. I have the 2.4 inch on this large one, and then this small ones are 1.8 and 1.2. I have been waiting for these pom-pom makers for a couple of years now. I am now going to learn to make pom-poms the proper way. So I picked up 2 each in case I broke one. I will have a backup. I picked up some rub-on stickers also. I found the ones that, the wood stickers. I got the white wash one, and I have the dark gray one. And I found 4 in the gray and 3 in the white. And I want to see what these look like. I was wondering if like I can rub this. Oops. Oh wait, hold on. So this is what it looks like. I was thinking it was all transparent. So it is on a clear film, but yeah, that's what that looks like. Let me see. So if you put it on a piece of wood, it'll look like that. So I have found 3 of the white ones and 4 of the gray ones. And I want to do some experimenting with these. So I'm quite happy I found them. I believe there's another shade out there. I just don't remember which one it was. I think it's maybe brown or maybe like a lighter gray color. I'll have to keep a watch out for that. And the last items I picked up are these batteries. So if you need to replace your battery in your votives, this is what you'll need. The CR2032. Oh, look, I bought 2 different sizes. So I will need to return this one. I need to exchange this one out for the 32. Let me move that aside so I can remember to return that one. I am quite happy with everything I found this week. And I hope that I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up on your next trip to Dollar Tree. Adorable pumpkins. I love the gray color. I'm glad they have gray available. Wow. And my lanterns. Okay. Oh, I wanted to mention on these, when you're buying these lanterns, pay attention to the glue. Some are, you know, they're fine. Others, they then glop glue on there, so you got glue oozing everywhere. It is not attractive at all. It is beyond spooky, let me put it that way. So, see, like this. So, yeah. So, pay attention to the over usage of the hot glue that they use. Now, I plan to disassemble mine, so I'm not too worried about that. But, no, just sharing some information there. Well, thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time. Let's see. Oh no, I need to do math.